The Michelangelo Cyan Nonstick Skillet set offers two useful sizes. You get a 9.5-inch pan and an 11-inch pan. These pans make cooking easier. They have a non-stick surface. Food won't stick easily, and cleanup is simple. The cyan color adds a nice touch to your kitchen. This set is great for everyday use. You can fry eggs or sauté vegetables. It's a practical addition for anyone who loves to cook. The non-stick coating on the Michelangelo Cyan Nonstick Skillet set is durable. It helps you use less oil when you fry. This can make your meals healthier. The silicone handles are comfortable to grip. They also stay cool while you cook. This skillet set is designed for ease of use. It can handle many cooking tasks. Think of these pans as reliable partners in your kitchen adventures. They aim to simplify the cooking process. For those looking for a dependable skillet set, consider this one. The Michelangelo Cyan Nonstick Skillet set provides good value. It combines functionality with a pleasant design. While it might not be art, it certainly aids the culinary arts. Many users find these pans helpful for their daily orders in the kitchen. They are built to last, hopefully for years of service. This set makes it easy to fry your favorite strips of bacon or anything else you desire. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, two useful sizes, silicone handle, looks good. Cyan, good for frying, likely durable, heats evenly, comfortable handle, food slides off. Cons: non-stick coating lifespan, can scratch easily, may not handle high heat, some not oven safe. Handle attachment issues, uneven heating possible, coating may degrade over time, not ideal for searing, can't always use metal tools, potential for loose handles. Features: non-stick, set of two pans, 9.5-inch size, 11-inch size, enamel coating, for cooking, for frying, silicone handle, skillet set, cyan color. This is a set of two Michelangelo frying pans. One is 9.5 inches and the other is 11 inches. They have a non-stick enamel coating, which means food won't easily stick to them while you cook or fry. The handles are made of silicone, so they should be easy to grip. This set of skillet-style pans comes in a cyan color. This set of Michelangelo frying pans comes with two useful sizes, 9.5-inch and 11-inch, that have a non-stick surface, making food slide off and easy to clean. They are good for frying and seem like they will last. Heating food evenly. The cyan color looks nice, and the silicone handle is comfortable to hold. However, the non-stick coating might not last forever and could scratch. And the pans may not be good for very high heat or always oven safe. There's a chance the handle could become loose, and heating might not always be perfectly even. Also, you can't always use metal tools, and the coating could wear out over time, so they're not the best for searing.